Welcome! In this quick video, we're going to get comfortable with the drawing control tools. You'll find the toolbar in the bottom right corner of your screen. Think of it as your personal assistant for precision. It gives you easy control over where you place items and exactly how your lines and shapes look within your design. The In-Out Up-Down button lets you choose whether to keep or ignore an item's placement values when duplicating or moving it. When the button is on, the item's current in-out and up-down values are kept. When it's off, those values are ignored. The Area Snap button is especially useful in the floor plan view. When Area Snap is enabled, your cursor snaps to the grid points, helping you place and align objects accurately. When it's disabled, items move freely across the work area. With Item Snap enabled, items automatically align to each other using snap points. As you move or rotate an object near another, small indicators appear to help the items connect perfectly. When Item Snap is disabled, those points don't appear, and the items won't snap together even if they're close. You can also customize your grid and snap spacing for even more control by right-clicking on your floor plan, going to the Display settings, and then Work Area. For example, you can keep a wide grid for reference but set a closer snap spacing for precision. The Collision button prevents items from overlapping in your design. When it's enabled, the software blocks items from intersecting with each other. To bypass this temporarily, hold the Control key while moving the item, or simply turn off the Collision button. If two items do collide, they're displayed with a diagonal hatch pattern, and a small window lists the collided elements in the lower right corner. The Ortho button works like a digital T-square. When it's enabled, your cursor movement is restricted to 45-degree increments, making it easy to draw straight vertical or horizontal lines. This feature helps you maintain clean perpendicular alignments throughout your design. Finally, the Link button lets you choose between grouped or single editing of connected elements. When Link is enabled, moving a wall or construction line group moves the entire group. When disabled, only the selected element moves. Here's a pro tip for you. Use the camera tool to establish a consistent default view for your renders. The camera's position within the floor plan determines the exact perspective that will appear in your rendering view. Thank you for joining this training session. Now that you're familiar with the Work Area toolbar, you'll be able to navigate your designs with greater accuracy and confidence. Keep exploring these tools as you work. They can significantly streamline your workflow and help you build cleaner, more precise layouts.